Welcome to the world of Dart, a versatile programming language developed by Google. In this video, we will take a deep dive into Dart and explore how it works. Dart is a general-purpose programming language that is used for a wide range of applications, including web development, mobile apps, and more. Let's start with Dart's strong type system. Dart supports static typing, which means that the type of variable is known at compile time. Developers can choose to specify variable types explicitly, or Dart's type inference system can automatically determine types. Under the hood, Dart has its own virtual machine. When you run a Dart application, it's interpreted and executed by the virtual machine. But Dart can also be compiled to native code, which is highly efficient and platform specific, improving performance significantly. Dart is renowned for its support of asynchronous programming. It uses the async and await keywords, allowing developers to write code that can efficiently handle tasks that may block, such as I/O operations. Behind the scenes, Dart employs an event loop to manage asynchronous tasks, ensuring that the program remains responsive. Automatic memory management is another critical feature of Dart. It includes a garbage collector that keeps track of objects that is no longer in use, preventing memory leaks. Dart's garbage collector uses a generational approach, optimizing the collection of process for better performance. Dart offers both just-in-time and ahead-of-time compilation. Just-in-time is used during development, enabling hot reload for quick code changes. Ahead-of-time compilation, on the other hand, is for production deployments. It compiles Dart code to native machine code, resulting in faster startup times. To manage dependencies and libraries, Dart uses the pub package manager. Developers specify dependencies in a pubspec.yaml file, and pub handles the rest. This simplifies code sharing and reuse within the Dart ecosystem. Dart's virtual machine includes a just-in-time compiler that dynamically optimizes code based on runtime profiling. This means frequently executed code paths are compiled to highly optimized machine code for better performance. Additionally, Dart allows for the creation of native extensions using C or C++, enabling integration with platform-specific features or libraries. In summary, Dart is a versatile programming language with a strong focus on performance and flexibility. Its combination of a robust type system, a virtual machine, asynchronous capabilities, and package management makes it ideal for various applications domain. Dart is most popularly known to be used in application development through Flutter framework. So that was a quick shot about the Dart programming language. Hope you found this video very interesting. Don't forget to like and comment, and for more such videos, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.